Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in Vue.js 3. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in Vue.js 3. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how to create an advanced calculator using HTML, CSS3 as well as Vue.js 3. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this session, we are gonna learn that how to create an advanced and dynamic calculator using Vue.js 3. Okay? So guys, just to give you a demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me explain you the example as well so that we will have a clear picture in our mind that today what we are going to learn in this video, in this session. Okay. So let me go to the example first and let me explain you the example as well so that we will know we are going to learn something new, something different in Vue.js 3, HTML as well as CSS3 today in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, here you can see the text also, advanced calculator using Vue.js 3. Okay, and guys, below you can see three input fields. Okay, the first input field is first number and the second input field is second number and the third input field is select operator. Okay, so guys, from here you can choose the operator. Okay, so we have got as of now we have got 5 operators like addition, minus, multiplication, division as well as average. Okay, so guys, here you can see two buttons also like calculate and clear field. Okay, and guys, below you can see the result column also, and guys, here in the right side you can see the calculation history also, and you can see one button also, clear history. Okay, so guys, whenever you are going to click on the this clear button, then we will be able to clear all the fields. Okay, like first number, second number, operator as well as result. Okay, and guys, whenever you are gonna click this clear button, then we will be able to only clear the calculation history. Okay, so guys, now this is the button to calculate the result. Okay, so guys, whenever you are going to click on the button calculate, you will be able to perform the operations on this first number and on this second number. Okay, provided you have to choose the operator from this drop down menu. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to click on the button calculate and see the output. Okay, so just click the button calculate. Okay, so guys, as of now you can see the calculate button is only a text. Okay, so there is no background color at all. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to click on the button calculate and see the output and see the result, how our application is going to react. Okay, so just click the button calculate. See guys, you got the alert that please enter the numbers. Okay, so guys, it is compulsory, it is mandatory to enter the first number as well as the second number. Okay, so guys, now I am going to put these two numbers. Okay, so just click OK to dismiss the modal or the alert. Okay, so guys, now as a first number I am going to put here 10. Okay, so guys, now I have given here the first number. So guys, so now I am going to click the button calculate and see the result. Okay, so click the button calculate. See, please enter the numbers. Okay, so guys, you have to fill the second number as well. Okay, so I'm gonna put here second number also as a 10. Okay, so guys, now as of now we can see I have given the second number as well as the first number also. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to click the button calculate. See, again you got the alert, please first select a operator. Okay, so guys, it is compulsory, it is crucial also that you have to choose the operator also from this drop down menu. Okay, so click OK. So guys, now I am going to choose, guys, you have to choose at least one operator, then only you will be able to perform the calculation on these two numbers, first number and the second number. Okay, so guys, now just click the what can I say, choose the operator from here. So this is the drop down menu, so click it. So guys, now first of all I'm going to perform the addition on these two numbers. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, the moment you have selected a single or any operator, you will be able to see the button text has been changed to addition, and the background color also changes to like this. Okay, and guys, here you can see the result column also has got changed to the button background. Okay, so as of now the result is 0, so we have to click the button addition, then only our application is going to perform the addition on these two number, first number as well as on the second number. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to click the button addition, so click it now. See, boom guys, you can see the first result. Okay, so guys, here you can see the result also. So the first number is 10 and the second number is 10, and we are performing the addition, so 10 plus 10 is 20. So you can see here result also 20. And guys, in the calculation history column you will be able to see the calculation history also. Okay, so you can see here 10 plus 10 equal to 20. Okay, so guys, now just pay attention guys. Okay, as I already told you earlier that this calculation or this calculator application is very dynamic and very awesome as well. Okay, so guys, as of now you can see here the button background color is like a little bit of black. Okay, and here you can see the result column also. So this addition button background and this result background matches the exact color. Okay, so guys, now I am going to change the operator from this drop down menu, so click it. So this time I am gonna choose here the minus as an operator. Okay, so choose minus. So see, boom guys, the moment you will be able to choose the moment you choose the operator, the button background color as well as text is going to change. Okay, so the operator is minus, you can see the button text also minus, and the background color also changes to red. Okay, and guys, here you can see in the result column also the result is set to 0. Okay, and the background color matches the button color as well. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so guys, now we have to click the button minus in order to minus first number as well as on the second number. Okay, so guys, click it now, minus. See, boom guys, we got the result also. So 10 minus 10 equal to 0. Here you can see also in the calculation history also, so 10 minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, so guys, now sorry guys for my voice, it's like a bit like morning today. So this is the first video guys of 2024. So guys, as we already know that we have stepped into the new year of 2024. So guys, I would like to wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year 2024, and may you guys achieve a great success and great heights in life this year. Okay, so once again guys, happy new year, and please guys stay connected with me, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna change the operator from here, so I'll say here this time multiplication. Okay, so guys, see, boom guys, the moment you will be selecting a single operator, the button background color is going to change as well as the text is also going to change. Okay, so as of now you can see the selected operator is multiplication, so you can see here the button text is also multiplication, and the button background color also changes to green. Okay, and guys, in the result column also result set to 0, and the background color also changes to this button color. Okay, so guys sorry guys, sorry. So guys, now just click the button multiplication in order to multiply the first number and the second number. Okay, so guys, just click it now, multiplication. See, boom guys, we got the result here. So 10 multiply 10 equal to 100. And guys, here you can see the calculation history also. 10 into 10 equal to 100. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna change the operator from here. So just choose the division this time. So division, see, boom guys, you got the operator as a division. So you can see the button text also changes to division, and the background color also changes to yellow. Okay, and guys, in the result column you can see the result set to 0 again, and the background color also changes to this button color. Okay, so guys, whenever you will choose any operator from this drop down menu, the button text is going to be changed, as well as the button background color is also going to be changed, and the result column background color also is going to be changed. Okay, so these two will be matching each and every time whenever you will select or choose any operator from this drop down menu. Okay, so guys, now as of now we are going to perform the division on the first number as well as on the second number. Okay, so guys, now just click the button division. See, boom guys, you can see here 10 divided by 10 equal to 1. Okay, so you can see here in the calculation history also, so 10 divided by 10 equal to 1. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to change the operator as a average. Okay, so guys, here I have given also average, like we are also going to calculate the average of the first number and the second number. Okay, so guys, you can see here the moment I have changed the operator, the button background color changes to green, and the text also changes to average. Okay, and here you can see here in the result column also result set to 0, and the background color also changes to this button color. Okay, so guys, now just hit the button average in order to calculate the average on the first number and on the second number. Okay, so hit the button average. See, you can see guys, 10 plus 10 divided by 2 equal to 10. Okay, so here you can see also 10 average 10 equal to 10. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to clear the all the input fields as well as result. Okay, so in order to do that, we have to click the button clear field. Okay, so just click it. See, boom guys, you can see here we have clear all the input fields as well as the operator, as well as we have set the result to 0. Okay, but guys, you can see here our calculation history is still here. Okay, so guys, this is the best part of the video of this tutorial, that we are not going to clear the calculation history. Okay, so whenever you will click on the first clear button, you are going to clear the first number, second number, and the select operator field also, as well as we are going to set the result to 0. Okay, so guys, in order to clear the calculation history, you have to click this button clear history. Okay, so guys, now I am going to clear the history also. Okay, so just click it clear history, so that we will be able to clear the calculation history as well. Okay, so just click it now. See, boom guys, you can see here each and everything is clear now. So guys, now I am going to click the button calculate. Okay, so guys, as of now you can see here the calculate button is only a text. Okay, and you can't we can't be able to see any kind of background, any kind of dynamic things. Okay, so guys, now just click the button calculate. See, again you are getting the alert, please enter the number. Okay, so guys, it is compulsory, it is mandatory, user has to fill all the input fields, then only he or she will be able to perform the calculation, perform the operations. Okay, so just click OK. So guys, now as a first number I'm gonna put here. So guys, let me just clear you one thing, guys, you are able to perform the calculation on any kind of number. It can be negative, it can be positive. You can be able to perform the number on decimal number as well. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna put here -10 as a first number, and I'm gonna put here 20 plus 20 as a second number, and I'm going to click the button calculate and see the result, okay, how our application is going to react. Okay, so just click the button calculate. See, please select a operator. Okay, so guys, it is compulsory user has to choose at least one of the operator from the drop down value in order to perform the calculation, okay, on the first number as well as on the second number. Okay, so click OK. So guys, now choose the, so guys, as you can see here, I have not selected any operator as of now, so you can see the button as a button text as a calculate. Okay, the moment guys you will choose operator from here, the button text is going to be changed, and the button background color is also going to be changed. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna choose here addition as a operator. So see, boom guys, you can see here the operator is addition, and the button text is also addition, and the background color also changes to black, and the result is also set to 0, and this result background matches this button background. Okay, so just click the button addition to perform the addition on the first number and on the second number. Okay, see guys, you are able to perform any kind of guys calculation. Okay, whether it is negative number, whether it is positive number, you can be able to perform the calculation as well as on the decimal number also. Okay, so you can see guys, -10 plus 20 equal to 10. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to perform here minus. Okay, and let's see how our application is going to react. See, the moment I have chose the operator as a minus, the button text also changes to minus, and the background color also changes to red. Okay, and here you can see we set the result to 0, and background color matches this button background color. Okay, so just click the button minus to perform the minus on the -10 and +20. Okay, you can see guys here in the calculation history also, -10 plus 20 equal to 10. Okay, so just click the button minus. See, boom guys, you can see here -10 and -20 equal to -30. Okay, you can see here -10 and -20 equal to -30. Okay, so guys, let me just clear you one thing guys again. So guys, you will be able to perform any kind of calculation, whether it is negative, whether it is positive. You will be able to perform the calculation on the decimal number as well. Okay, so guys, I already told you that this calculator is very dynamic, and I have built this calculator using HTML CSS3 as well as Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to change the operator from here. So just put here multiplication as an operator, and see, boom guys, the button text also changes to multiplication, and background color also changes to green, and see, the result also changes to background color to green, and we again set the result to 0. Okay, so guys, now I am going to perform the multiplication on the first number -10 and on the second number +20. Okay, so just click the button multiplication. See, boom guys, you can see here -10 multiplied 20 equal to -200. Okay, and in the calculation history also, -10 into 20 equal to -20. Okay, so guys, now just change the operator from here. So guys, as of now, you can see here the result is -20. Okay guys, the moment you will choose the operator from this drop down value, you are going to set the result to 0 again. Okay, so just choose division, and see, boom guys, the result set to 0, and the button background color changes to yellow, and the text also changes to division. Okay, so guys, now just click it. See, you can see here -10 divided by 20 equal to -0.50. Okay, and here in the calculation history also, you will be able to see here -10 divided by 20 equal to -0.50. Okay, so guys, now just change the operator to average. So see, boom guys, the button text is also average, background color also changes, and here also in the result column, the result set to 0 again, and the background color also changes. Okay, so guys, this button text is going to be changed according to the operator you have chosen, you have selected from this drop down menu. Okay, so guys, as of now, you can see here you have chosen the operator as a average, so button background text is also average, and background color also changes to green. Okay, so just click the button average. See, you are able to perform the average also on -10 plus minus 20, okay, divided by 2 equal to 2, I mean equal to 5. Okay, so see guys, I told you already that our application, our calculator is so advanced and so dynamic. Okay, so guys, let me just show you. Okay, so addition, so see here the button text is addition and background color also changes. Okay, choose minus, see the text is also minus and the background color also changes to red. Okay, choose multiplication, you can see here the button background color also changes to green and the text also changes to multiplication according to this operator. Okay, you have chosen from this drop down menu. Okay, so choose division, see you can see here the button text is also division and background color also changes to yellow. So choose this time average, see the text is also average of this button and background color also changes. Okay, and according to this button background color will be also changing to this result column also. Okay, so see addition, this color and this color matches. Okay, minus, so this red and this red matches. Okay, multiplication, so green of this button also matches to this result column and division, so yellow is here also and yellow is also of this result background. Okay, and average, here is also average, text is a average and background color is this and also background color to this of the result. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session we are going to learn that how to create this kind of dynamic calculator using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn that how to code this kind of calculator using Vue.js 3. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload a new video like this on the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. Okay, and additionally you will grow also in your professional as well as in your personal life. Okay, so guys, as you all know that I have also started tutorials on service now also. Okay, so guys, if you are a service now developer, then please do subscribe to this channel also, because here on this channel I will be explaining you that what is a service now and how to become a great service now in 2024. Okay, so guys, trust me guys, service now is here and it will remain here for a long time. So please, if you want to become a service now developer, if you dream to become a service now developer, then please guys do subscribe to this channel Code with ER and please press the bell icon also. Okay, and please guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys, please like this videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development as well as full stack development also. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn that how to code this kind of advanced calculator using HTML, CSS3 and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, if you are an HTML developer also, if you are learning CSS also, then also guys, trust me, this video will be very helpful for you. So just be here and be focused and please watch the entire video, then only you will be having some kind of knowledge, then only you will be having some kind of understanding that what is HTML, what is CSS, and how to become a great web developer, how to become a great UI or a front-end developer. Okay, so guys, now let me go to the code editor and now we will start coding. Okay, so just go to the code editor. So guys, now I am going to create here a new page. I'll say here Vue calculator dot HTML. So save the page now. Okay, so guys, now we have just shared our page. So I'm going to create here HTML first. So I'll say here HTML code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Currently I'm working as a ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and total I have got more than 4 year of experience into software development. Okay, so guys, first of all, I would like to paste some of the CDN links from the previous example only, just to save our little bit of time. Okay, so let me go to the example first. And yeah, this is the example. I'm gonna copy these CDN links from here. So just copy it from here and paste here below the title tag. Okay, let me just explain you also what is this all about. So guys, as you can see here, this is the CSS file for Bootstrap. Okay, so guys, here also I'm using here Bootstrap also, so that it will save a lot of time on writing the extra, or the yeah, on writing the extra CSS. Okay, so guys, now let me just explain you this CDN link. So guys, as you can see here, this is the JS file for Vue.js3. Okay, so as you can see here, vue.global.js. Okay, and guys, it is inside the folder JS. Okay, and guys, this file bootstrap.min.css is inside the folder CSS. Okay, so guys, now we have the required file, we have the required CDN links. Okay, so guys, now we are good to go, and we are good to write our code. Okay, so guys, now let me just go to the example. First of all, let me just show you what we are going to create first of all. Okay, so just go to the example. So guys, first of all, we are going to create the first number, second number, and choose operator. Okay, so first of all guys, we have to create this HTML structure, then only we will be able to perform like operations on these input fields. Okay, so guys, first of all, we have to create the first number, second number, select operator, and these buttons. Okay, so just go to the code again, and yeah, first of all, I'm gonna create here a div. So create a div, give it a class as a container, and give little bit margin from top also, not margin top 3, and give the margin bottom 3 also. Okay, and just close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. So create a div, give it a class also as a text center. Okay, and just close this div. So guys, let me just clear you guys one more thing guys. Okay, so guys, whenever you code, okay, please guys, try to follow the HTML structure, so that you will be able to write the CSS. Okay, write the exact CSS. Okay, so please guys, it is very important, it is very mandatory to follow the HTML structure. Okay, and guys, please guys, try to close all the closing tag whenever you try to open any tag in the HTML. Okay, otherwise once you will forget it, no, you will have a lot of issues, and it will take a lot of time to rectify the issues, to rectify the errors. Okay, so guys, please follow the rules of HTML structure, and please close all the HTML tag. Okay, so guys, now below this inside this div, I'm gonna create here h1 element. So I'll say here h1, I'll give the class also as a text center, and give the also class as a text dark. So close this h1 first, and guys, just cancel this out, and inside this h1 I'm gonna put here a text. Okay, so let me just copy the text from the previous example only. So just go here and go a little down and copy this text just from here. So just go here and paste it here. Okay, so save your code and copy the file path, go to the browser and create a new page. Okay, so yeah, just remove this, put localhost. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so guys, now you can see here the text also, advanced calculator using HTML Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, just guys, be focused, and please guys, watch the video. Don't try to fast forward the video, and don't try to skip anything. Okay guys, if you will miss anything, you will miss each and everything from this video, from this session, and at the end you will end up losing your energy, losing your time also. Okay, so trust me guys, I give you my word, I promise you, from this video, from this session, you will be learning a lot of things, a lot of new stuff whether in HTML, CSS, or in Vue.js. Okay, so guys, you are if you are a beginner in Vue.js, then guys, this video is for you only. This video is gonna help you a lot in your Vue.js journey. Okay, so if you dream to become a Vue.js developer, so guys, just subscribe to this channel, code with ER, and please watch this video carefully, because this video is meant for you only if you are a beginner in Vue.js 3. Okay, so just let me go to the code again. And yeah, so guys, now below this div, I'm gonna create here another div. So create another div. So first of all, just create a div, give class also as a row. Okay, and give justify content also as a center, and give margin top also 4. Okay, so guys, here I'm using all the classes which is predefined inside the bootstrap.min.css. Okay, so all these classes, guys, are defined in the bootstrap. Okay, so guys, I'm assuming, I'm hoping that you must be knowing that what is a bootstrap and how to use predefined classes from the bootstrap into our code, into our applications. Okay, so guys, I'm assuming that, okay, you must be knowing HTML. Yeah, I know that. So just close this div. Okay, and inside this div, I'm gonna create here another div. So just create a div, give the class also. So I'm this time I'm gonna give the class also as a call lg4. Okay, so I'm dividing the column into the 4 column. Okay, so just close this div and go a little up. Okay, so inside this div, I'm gonna create here another div. So give the class also as a form group, and just close this div. And inside this div, I'm gonna create here a label tag. So I'll say here label, and just close this first. Okay, and I'll give the 4 attribute also. So I'll say here 4 attribute as a first number. Okay, so I'll say here first number. Yeah, just give first num only, no need to write the full text. Okay, so I'll say here first number as a text. Okay, so yeah, below this label, I'm gonna create here input field. So I'll say here input. So guys, the type would be number. Okay, so because we are going to perform the calculation on the number only, so the type would be number. Okay, so I'll give the class also as a form control, give the placeholder also as a please enter first number. Okay, so guys, let me just guys request you one thing, guys. Please guys, I know my voice is not that great, and my voice would be little slower today, because I'm making this video like at 6 a.m. Okay, so yeah, so just bear with me, and please try to be focused, and please watch the video thoroughly and carefully as well. Okay, so please guys, be there with me. So just give here id also as a first num. Okay, so because I have given here the level 4 attribute as a first num, so id must be equal to this first num, okay, of this input field. Okay, so yeah, first num. Okay, so guys, here we will be also using here v model. Okay, so guys, you must be knowing that what is v model. So guys, v model is a directive in Vue.js 3 which is used in two-way data binding. Okay, so from this input field to our Vue.js instance. Okay, so later on we will create the v model also. So first of all, let me just create the HTML page, HTML structure. Okay, so later on we will just apply the, what can I say, other extra features. Okay, so just guys, just copy this div from here, and yeah, just paste below this. Okay, so paste below this. So save your code, and sorry guys, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so see guys, now this is the first number, this is the second number. You can see here the first number also and the second number also. Okay, so just change the text. Okay, so just give margin top to 5 and give margin bottom also 5. Okay, and just say here second number, and just give this to second num also, second num only. So second num, and this is also of type number. So form class is form control. Okay, so please enter the second number. Okay, so second number, and just copy this for attribute from here and paste it here. Okay, so now that's fine. Just go to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, so this is the first number and this is the second number. Okay, so guys, as of now both the input field is of type number. Okay, so you can see here the type is also number, and here the type is also number. Okay, because we are going to perform the calculation on the number and not on the string. Okay, so type should be number. Okay, input type should be number only. Okay, so guys, now below this field, I'm gonna create another. So I'm gonna create now this select operator and this button. Okay, so just go to the code again, and guys, just copy this. Okay, so guys, just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so later on we will change it. So just refresh the page. Okay, so we have to make this first number as a this select operator, and we have to give here two button also. The first button is calculate and the second button is clear field. Okay, so just go to the code again, and yeah, we have to change this. So I'll say here. Okay, so just give the label as a choose operator. Okay, choose operator, and just remove this input field. Here we don't require input field, we require the select box. Okay, so I'm gonna create here select. So select, close this first. Okay, so yeah, just give the class also as a form control. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna create here option also. So guys, you can see here you have got a lot of things to learn here in HTML part also. Okay, so guys, just watch the video carefully. You will be able to learn a lot of things from this video, from this session. Okay, it's my promise to you. Okay, so I'm gonna create here some options also. So I'll say here option. So close this option first. Okay, option, and just copy it and paste it couple of times. Okay, so paste 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so later on we can increase it and we can decrease it also. So guys, now I'm gonna give here first of all I'm gonna give here select operator. Okay, operator, and by default this will be selected. So give the attribute as a selected and give the attribute also as a disabled. Okay, so by default guys, the moment guys we will put here attribute as a selected and disabled. Okay, as a attribute also, the first option is going to be selected and user won't be able to select it again. Okay, because we have given here the attribute also as a disabled. Okay, so guys, always remember, the moment you will put here the selected attribute and the disabled attribute. Okay, so by default this select operator would be there, and once the user will change it, user won't be able to choose this select operator again, because we have given here the attribute also as a disabled. Okay, so guys, always remember, this is very important, attribute selected, and then we have to put the disabled also. Okay, so that user won't be able to choose it again. Okay, so now the first second would be addition, and this one would be minus. Okay, minus, so give this one as a multiplication, and give this one as a division, division. So copy this one more time and paste it here. So give this as a average. Okay, so average, and now we have to put here value also. So I'm gonna put here value as a plus. Okay, put value as a minus, and put value as a multiplication, put value as a division. So just give here forward slash and put value as a avg. Okay, for average. Okay, so avg as a average. So yeah, just give this as a id also. So I'll say here id as a, I'll give here operator. So copy this operator from here and give this select box id also. So paste it here. So guys, here we will also give here v model. Okay, so just as of now, just save the page and go to the browser and see the HTML first, see the output first. Okay, so guys, now you can see here we are able to choose the operator. Okay, and see guys, once we have clicked this choose operator field, we won't be able to select this select operator. Okay, because you can see it is now disabled. Okay, you are able to choose addition, minus, multiplication, division and average, but you won't be able to choose the select operator again. Okay, because it is already disabled. I already explained to you selected and disabled. Okay, so guys, these two attribute is very important if you want your first option to be default selected, and if you want the user is not user won't be able to choose this select operator as a drop down value, then you have to put this attribute disabled as well. Okay, so now guys, inside this form group I'm gonna create here two button. So just delete this. So I'm gonna create here guys button element. So I'll say here button and close this button now. So inside this button I'm gonna put here text. So I'll put here text dynamically. So as of now, let me just put here double curly braces. Later on we will just paste here variable. Okay, from the Vue.js. Okay, because we have to make this button dynamic. Okay, so guys, always remember we have to make this button dynamic. So that's why we will use here Vue.js 3 variables, and that's why I have given here double curly braces. Later on I will paste here variable name inside this double curly braces. Okay, so yeah, so just give the class also as a btn, and I'll give the guys just give btn sm also. So the button should be looking like some kind of tiny small button. Okay, so give the type also as a button. Okay, so guys, later on we will define one class dynamically also. Okay, so we will define one class dynamically also on this button. Okay, so guys, just be remember. So copy it and yeah, paste it one more time and just let it be as it is. So this time I'll say here just give the btn danger, and give margin top also 4, and give the margin right also, give margin right also 2. Okay, so we will be having some kind of a space between the buttons. Okay, so just change this text because this is a static button and we are not going to make it dynamic. We will be only able to make this first button as a dynamic. Okay, you can see here in the example only the first button is sorry guys, only the first button is dynamic. Okay, see, it is the only dynamic button. Okay, so this is a static button, clear field. So go to the code again and yeah, just give here text also. So I'll say here clear what is it, clear field. Okay, clear field. Okay, so guys, now first of all let me just create guys our script element. Okay, so first of all guys, just save this and see the output first how it looks like. in the browser. So refresh the page. See, so we will define it later. Okay, as of now let it be, we will define it later. Okay, so guys, now let me just guys just be focused now, because now I am going to write the logic. I am going to write the Vue.js code. Okay, so guys, please guys, be focused, and please watch the video thoroughly and carefully as well. Okay, so guys, now below this div I am gonna create here a script element or the script tag. So guys, now I'm gonna create here, I'm gonna write here our Vue.js code. Okay, so guys, now first of all I'm gonna create here a variable. So I'll say here const app equal to, just give the view dot create app. Okay, and put parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis put open and closing braces. Okay, so guys, inside this view dot create app, so guys, it is a function. We use view dot create app just to create the application, just to create the app inside the Vue.js. And guys, now inside this open and closing braces, you are able to define anything, your function, your methods, your lifecycle hook, your computer methods, your array, your object. Guys, you are free to create anything inside this open and closing braces of the Vue.create app. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here a data function first. So I'll say here data colon function, and put parenthesis and open and closing braces. So guys, it is a function, so it will return all the properties. Okay, so I'll say here return, and I'll put here open and closing braces. Okay, so just put here semicolon and put comma here. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna define here some of the variables also. Sometimes people call it a state variable also, or the data property also. Okay, okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here some of the variables. Okay, so guys, I already told you that we will be using here on these input fields, like on the first number, on the second number, and on this select drop down menu, we are gonna use here v model. Okay, okay, so guys, I already explained you that v model is a directive inside the Vue.js3, which is used in two-way data binding. Okay, so guys, from this input field, okay, from this input field and from this select box, we will be able to bind this input field value. Okay, we will be able to bind these input fields value to our Vue.js instance, and from our Vue.js instance we will be able to bind to this select operator, this second number input field, and on this first number input field as well. Okay, so guys, that's why I told you that v model is a two-way data binding directive in Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna use here v model also. So I'll say here v model equal to, I'll say here first number. Okay, so first number. Okay, and just copy this, so we have to paste it couple of times. Okay, so copy this from here and paste here also on the second input field number, and change this v model to not number, so just change this to second. Okay, okay, so guys, now this is the v model equal to second number, and yeah, just give here on this select box also. So I'll say here v model, and I'll say here operator. Okay, I'll say here operator as a v model. Okay, so I'll say here operator. Okay, so guys, now we have to define these v model also, like first number, second number, and this operator. Okay, this operator in our Vue.js instance also. So I'm gonna define it now. So I'll say here first number, so as of now just give the empty string. Okay, so put comma here, so give the second number also. So I'll say here second number. Okay, put colon and give the empty string as of now, put comma here, and as a operator. Okay, as a operator, so copy this from here, and so guys, let me just clear you one thing, guys. So guys, this first number, okay, this first number belongs to this v model first number. Okay, and guys, this second number belongs to this v model second number. Okay, and guys, this v models operator belongs to, okay, this, okay, this operator, okay, this operator. So as of now, let me just give the text also as a select, as a select operator. Okay, select operator. So guys, always remember this text. Okay guys, always remember this text, and this text, this first option text should be same. Okay, because I have given here selected and disable attributes. Okay, so this text, okay, this text of this first option should be same as of this operator v model. Okay, so I have given here also the same text, select operator. Okay, so guys, now just put comma here also. So yeah, so guys, now just okay, so we have to mount this instance also to our HTML part, to our view part. So I'll say here put semicolon and just copy this app variable from here and just say dot mount, and I'm gonna define here one id. So I'll say here hash, and I'll give the id as a app. Okay, so just close this and copy this id app from here, and we have to paste inside this parent div. Okay, so guys, this is the parent div. You can see here it is closing here. Okay, it is closing here. So guys, this is the parent div. Okay, it is closing here. So we have to give this parent div the same id as a app. Okay, this same id as a app. Okay, okay, this app. Okay, this app. Okay, so guys, now we are going to define the first of all, I'm going to define the button text also. So I'll define the button text also here. So btn, I'll say here btn text equal to, I mean colon. So I'll say here calculate. Okay, calculate. Okay, so calculate, put comma here. So guys, now just copy this btn text variable from here and paste inside this double curly braces. Okay, so guys, now this button become dynamic. Okay, so whenever you want to change the text of this button, we have to change the text here. Okay, then only it will be reflected here. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, so see guys, you can be able to see now calculate. Okay, as of now calculate you will be able to see. So guys, now we have to just style this HTML part first. So very quickly I'm gonna style it. Okay, I'm gonna do some more stuff with the HTML part. Okay, so just give margin top 4 and okay, so yeah, below this div, just okay, so just this div I'm gonna create one more div. So just give this class as a row. Okay, and give justify content center also, and give the margin top also 4, and just close this div. And I'm gonna create here one more div. So I'll give the class also as a call lg4, and just close this div. Okay, so guys, just be here guys. Let me just mention you one thing, that guys, video is going to be little longer, little larger. Okay, so guys, just be here and watch the video, because it is worth it. Okay, so yeah, our video is going to be little larger guys. Okay, but it is to watch, it is a worth it guys. Okay, so I'll give here another div. So just create a div, give the class also as a form group. Okay, so close this div now, and inside this div I'm gonna create here the s2 element or the s2 tag. I'll say here s2, and I'll say here result. Okay, so here we will display the calculation result. Okay, so close this s2 first, and below this s2 I'm gonna create here a div. So create a div, give the class also as a calculated, and later on we will define one dynamic class also. So just close this div. Okay, so guys, my voice is little what can I say, disturb, so please guys be bear with me. Okay, and later on we will define here one variable from the this Vue.js instance. Okay, so as of now I have given here double curly braces. Okay, so below this, so just copy this div from here and just paste it here. Okay, and here we will define uh, so I'll say here class. Okay, I'll give the class also as a give the class also as a div flex. Okay, display flex. So I'll give the class also as a history, because we are going to create the history for the calculation. Okay, so I'll say here history, I'll say here justify content, not center, I'll say here between. Okay, between, and okay, so give the h5 text also here. So I'll say here make this h5 and close this h5 first, and just give the text also. So I'll give the text also as a calculation history. Okay, and here just give this. Okay, so I'll give the class also, so remove this class. So I'll say here the class, I'll say here the class also as a btn. Okay, so I'll say here btn sm for a small button, and just give the btn danger. Okay, so give the text also, so this will be a static button. So I'll say here clear, I'll say here clear history. Okay, clear history. Okay, and later on we will define one method also on this button. Okay, so yeah, so make this div as a button and close this button first. Okay, so yeah, so just save your code, go to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, so yeah, we can see this. So now just copy this, div from here, and just let me go to the example just to see one thing. Yeah, it is here only. Okay, so okay, so here we will display the calculation history. So I'll say here give this class as a, give the class as a overflow. Okay, so we will hide the overflow here. So I'll say here overflow hidden, and inside this we will display one UL. So just remove this, we will display one UL and create a UL. Later on we will just put here content dynamically. Okay, so just close this UL now, and just give the class also as a list, group. Okay, and give margin top also 2. Okay, and later on we will just create a li. Okay, so as of now just define the li. Later on we will just make it dynamic using v4 directive. Okay, so yeah, so just save your page and go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so yeah, just give the class also here on this li. So give this class also as a what class. So I'll say here list group, item. Okay, list group item, just to remove this dot. Okay, you can see here this dot, we have to remove this. So refresh the page. Okay, so now it is refreshed, and yeah, so okay, so guys, now our HTML part is ready. Okay, so our HTML part is ready. So guys, now quickly I'm gonna define the Vue.js code. Okay, so guys, just be here and watch the entire video carefully. Okay, because guys, now we are gonna write the logic for the calculator. Okay, so guys, now first of all, I'm gonna create here some more variables, some more data properties. So I'll say here result. Okay, result. As of now, I'll give here 0. As you can see here, initially, okay, initially our result is 0. Okay, so we have to set the result 0 every time whenever a user is going to choose the operator from here. Okay, from this drop down menu. So I will just set the result variable to 0, put comma, and I'm gonna create here again, I'll say here calculated value, calculated value. So as of now, set it to 0 also. So put comma, and I'm gonna create the calculation history array. So I'll say here calculation history, and it is an array. So we have to define an array, an empty array. So as of now, this is an empty array. So later on we will put the content dynamically by using Vue.js. Okay, so yeah, just define one more class as an active class. Give here as of now the class as a active. Okay, so put comma, and I'm gonna define here one error class. So I'll say here error, class. So give here as a text danger. Okay, so guys, this is the class from the bootstrap. Okay, so text danger. Okay, so create put comma and create one more variable. I'll say here is active, okay, and give colon, and as of now just give here true. Okay, by default it is true, and I'm gonna create here one more variable, has error. Okay, so has error, and I'll say here as of now false, so set it to false, put comma, and I'm gonna create here one more variable btn, and I'll say here as of now just give the empty string, so nothing, so put comma, and I'll say here calculated. Okay, calculated, and as of now just give here empty string also, so put comma. Okay, so guys, now as you can see here we have defined some variables. So this is very important variables, guys. Okay, always remember this is very important variables. So guys, in this way, in the Vue.js 3 we define our variables, we define our state variables or the data properties. Okay, so guys, this is sometimes also called data properties, state variable, but in a standard term, in a standard like language, we call it variable. Okay, data variable or data properties. Okay, so yeah, so guys, now we will be defining one methods also. So guys, below this I'm gonna define here method. So I'll say here methods, put colon, and put open and closing braces, so put comma here, and yeah guys, now first of all let me just clear one thing, guys, that here we will define our one dynamic class. So I'll say here colon, I'll give here class equal to, I'll just say here this calculated. Okay, so copy this variable from here calculated and just put here. Okay, so guys, you can see here I have given here colon, which is the shortened for vbind, and we use vbind just to bind the properties to HTML element to HTML tag dynamically using Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, dynamically I will bind this class calculated. Okay, so just give here the variable calculated value. So as of now it is set to 0, so copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, so guys, now we will define again some more variables. So guys, first of all let me just write the CSS very quickly. Okay, so guys, we need some CSS also. So I'm gonna create the internal style sheet inside the head section. Okay, so I'll say here style, and let me just quickly, guys, create the CSS okay, so I'll just create a CSS also. So I'll say here I'll just copy this variable like class calculator from here and just paste it here. so put dot, paste it, and just define it. So I'll say here width of 300 px, okay, and I'll give the height also as 100 px, and I'll give here display as a flex. I'll give the justify content as a center. I'll give the align item also as a center, and I'll give the align content also as a center. Okay, so I want each and everything inside the center of the content. Okay, so that's why I have given here the display flex, justify content center, and align items also center. Okay, so I'll say here text align also as a center, and I'll give here position as relative. Okay, and I'll give here a border radius of 10 px. I'll say here little bit of box shadow also, so I'll say here box shadow of 1 px, and 10 px, and I'll use the RGBA value. So I'll just change the value of opacity, so I'll say here 0.2. yeah, that's it. And I'll say here font size also, so I'll give the font size as a give 50 px, and just give the font family also as a sans serif. I'll give the font weight also. Okay, so font weight give 600. It's up to you guys, it is only CSS. Okay, so I'll give the color also as a white. Okay, so as of now just give the black so that we can see something inside the container. Okay, so just go to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, so you can see here like this. As of now it is set to 0, so you can see here I have given here this variable calculated value which is set to 0 inside our Vue.js instance. Okay, so it is set to 0, so that's why we are able to see here 0 as a calculated value. Okay, so yeah, just copy this history class. Where is the history class, guys? So copy the history class and just go inside the style sheet. So just put comma, paste it, and I'll say here as a okay guys, let me just copy the CSS classes. Okay, CSS properties from the example. Okay, it is nothing guys, only CSS, and I hope you know what is CSS. Okay, so just copy this CSS from here. Okay, CSS properties from here, and paste it, and I will explain you guys, don't worry. So guys, I have used here. Okay, so guys, this is the history class. Okay, this is the history class. As you can see here, I have given here this div. I have given here history class. Okay, this div I have given here history class, and I am saying here background color of this, padding is of 6 px, border radius of 10 px, margin top to 30 px, and border bottom to 5 px. Okay, and guys, here I have given here I will later on I will give the overflow class also. So I have defined the properties here. Overflow, I am given here height 20 px, overflow auto, overflow x as a hidden, and overflow y as a scroll. Okay, so guys, let me just explain you this overflow. Okay, inside the example. Okay, so let me go to the example, and you can see guys, just perform some calculation. Okay, so just perform the addition. So put here just add. See the guys, the moment we will have more than 5 elements in our calculation history, then we are going to show this scroll bar. Okay, we are going to show this scroll bar. Okay, as you can see here, we have got to see the scroll bar here also. So that's why guys, I have given here this overflow hidden, height of 20 px, overflow auto, overflow x is hidden. You can see here overflow x is hidden. Okay, overflow x is hidden, and overflow y is scroll. Okay, overflow y is scroll, and overflow x is hidden. Okay, so just go to the code, and you can see here overflow x is hidden and overflow y is scroll. Okay, so guys, now just save your code and go to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, so guys, now you can see here later on let me just put here something so that you will understand what is it. So see, just put some text here inside the li and just refresh the page. Okay, so we are able to see this. Later on we will just change this, okay, dynamically. So yeah, we are done with this CSS, guys. Okay, so we are now we have come to the logic part now. Okay, so guys, just be focused and watch the video carefully, guys. Okay, so we have come to the logic part now. So Colonel G4 deflex history justify content, I'll say here between, and yeah. Okay, so guys, now we have come to the logic part. Okay, so guys, just be focused, guys. I'm telling you again and again, otherwise you will miss something, you will miss each and everything. Okay, so guys, now we have to define method now. So guys, I'm gonna create here one method inside the methods section or the object. Okay, so I'll say here calculate. Okay, so put parenthesis and put open and closing braces. So I'll say here I will create here two variables just to hold this. Okay, just to hold this first number and the second number. Okay, so guys, as of now, let me just copy comment this out, and let me show you guys quickly one more thing, which is very important, I think. So guys, as you can see here, this is the first number, this is the second number. Okay, and guys, I already explained you that this is related to this V model, and this is related to this V model. Okay, and guys, I have already explained you that this model, this input field and this input field is now connected, is now bind with our Vue.js instance with this first number as a blank and this second number as a blank also. So guys, whatever you will try to put inside this first number and inside the second number, you will be able to see inside the first number input field and inside the second number input field, because it is connected, it is connected by this. Okay, by this V model attribute, by this V model directive. Okay, with the first number and with the second number. So quickly guys, let me put something here. So I'll say here 20, so it is a number, so put here like 22, and just remove this, it is a number also, so just remove this, and just save your code and go to the browser and refresh your page. So see guys, boom guys, you can see here we are able to see first number as a 22 and second number also as a 22. So let me just change the second number, so you will have clear picture. So I put here 100, so save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so see, second number is 100 and the first number is 22. Okay, so guys, now let me just uncomment, like revert it back. Okay, so later on dynamically we will grab the input. Okay, so guys, later on dynamically by using Vue.js we will grab the, okay, we will grab the values. Okay, we will grab the values from this first number and from this second number inside. Okay, inside this first number, inside this second number, whatever is user is going to insert, whatever is going user is going to put into the first number and into the second number input field, we will get it inside this first number, inside the second number. That's why we have used here, okay, that's why we have used here V model equal to first number and V model equal to second number, and here also V model equal to operator. Okay, so guys, as you all know that V model is a two-way data binding. We use V model attribute or the directive in Vue.js 3 just to make connection between the HTML part to our Vue.js part and to our Vue.js part to our HTML part. Okay, so this is a two-way data binding inside the Vue.js 3. Okay, by using the directive V model. Okay, so guys, I hope I have explained you very well in deep also. So guys, now I'm gonna create this, I'm gonna define this calculate method. So I'm gonna create here two variable also. So I'll say here const, I'll say here num1, okay, equal to, I'll say here this dot. Okay, so guys, let me just clear you here also in this video also. So guys, whenever I will say here this, okay, this dot first number, this dot second number, this dot operator, this dot btn text, and so on, till calculated. Okay, here in this video only guys, I will be referring to this first number variable, this second number variable, this operator variable, this btn text variable, and this result variable. this error class variable, this is active variable, this has error variable, and this button variable, and this calculated variable. Okay, whenever I will say here this dot first number, this dot second number, this dot operator, this dot bt and text, this dot result. Okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, so guys, now I'll say here this dot this first number, so copy it from here and paste it here, put semicolon, and just copy this and paste it one more time. So I'll say here number 2. Okay, so just change this variable to second number. Okay, so guys, now we will just define two if method. So I'll say here if we are going to check it, if something is there, if something is there inside this first number, inside this input field, and if user has selected, if user has selected any operator from this drop down menu. Okay, so we will check it by using the if condition. Okay, so go to the code again. So I'll say here negation of this dot checked. Okay, check field. Okay, check field. So later on we will just define this method. Okay, so if it is false, okay, if it is not so, okay, because we have given here negation. Okay, because we have given here negation. So guys, this is the logical not operator inside the JavaScript. If something is true, okay guys, if this is true, okay, this will make it this exclamation mark make it false. If it is false, this exclamation mark will make it true. Okay, so guys, that's why I will check here. I'll say here negation of this dot check fields. Later on we will define this method also. So I'll say here if it is so, so if it is not so, so we will say here return. So close this and just copy this and just paste it here below this. So I'll say here check operation. Okay, so I'll say here I will define one more method, check operation. So I'll say here operation. Okay, if it is not so, then also we will just return. Okay, so guys, here we are gonna use here switch method. Okay, inside our Vue.js. Guys, here I'm gonna use here switch method. Okay, so I will use here switch. So I'll say here switch. Okay, and guys, now I will just check this operator. Okay, so I'll say here this dot operator. Okay, this dot operator. So I'll say here this dot operator, paste it. Okay, and guys, now we are gonna check with the cases. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna define the couple of the cases. Okay, so I'm gonna define here couple of cases. So I'll say here case. So give little bit of space. So I'll say here case. I'll put here double quotes. Okay, I'll say here if it is plus. Okay, so which means addition. Okay, so which means addition. So I'll just put here colon, and I'll just say here this case. Okay, so I'll just say here if the user has selected any operator like addition. Okay, so guys, I have as you can see here, I have given here addition, the value is plus, minus, the value is minus, multiplication, the value is this multiplication, division, the value is this, and for average I have given here avg. Okay, so guys, I will be checking this operator. Okay guys, I will be checking this operator, plus, minus, multiplication, division, and average. Okay, on this our this switch case. Okay, on our this switch case, I'll say here switch this dot operator. As you can see here, operator here, this is the variable operator, so we are checking it. Okay, so I'll say here this dot operator. If it is so, if it is plus, then we will say here this dot, I'll just use this calculated value. Okay, so just copy this variable from here, calculated, and I'll say this dot calculated value, and I'll just give the equal to and put parenthesis. So I'll say here num1 and num2. Okay, this num1 and this num2 plus this num2. So just say here num1 and give plus, and just put parenthesis, parenthesis, and give number 2. Okay, so close this. Okay, so guys, this is the operation about the addition. Okay, so just give the break here. Okay, because we want the loop to break here, we don't want the loop to continue. Okay, so guys, that's why we use here break keyword. Okay, so just break it now. So again I will check it for the minus. Okay, so guys, just copy this and paste it couple of times. Okay, so just for the sake of time saving. Okay, so just later on we will just change it. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna check for the minus. So just check for the minus. Okay, and yeah, this will be okay. So I'll just say here first number minus second number. Okay, and just break the loop, and I'm gonna check here for the multiplication now. So say here multiplication, and first number multiply by second number. Okay, this will be the same. Okay, so for the division, I'll say here division, and I will just give the first number. Okay, so guys, here there is a catch. Okay, so guys, let me just give one thing. Let me just do one thing so that we will have each and everything inside this single line. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you will be able to see my screen. Okay, because the screen is so huge. Okay, so guys, I bring it to the deep so that we will have all the calculation in a single line. Okay, so guys, in the division section, guys, there is a catch. Okay, so guys, just be here and be focused. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna check here, guys, if user is going to divide it by the second number. Okay, so guys, let me just go to the example, and let me just show you one more thing. So guys, as you can see, give the first number as 100 and give the second number as a 0. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a catch. Okay, so as a first number I have given here 100, and as a second number I have given here 0. And guys, I am going to perform here division. Okay, I am going to perform here division. So guys, just click the button division. So see, you can see, guys, as you can see here, this is the catch. Okay, so guys, the number divided by 0 will always will infinity. Okay, so guys, you can see here is the infinity, and here you can see also 100 divided by 0 equal to infinity. Okay, so guys, this is the catch, we have to catch it. Okay, so guys, just be careful and watch the video thoroughly, and be focused. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna just say here, I'll just check here if num2. Okay, so guys, I'll just check here if num2, okay, if num2 does not equal to, okay, does not equal to. So guys, here I'm gonna use here ternary operator. Okay, guys, I'm gonna use here ternary operator of the JavaScript. Okay, so guys, I will check here if num2 does not equal to 0, then okay, then we will say here question mark, and then we will say here we will just perform the actual, or the yeah, we will just perform the actual calculation if num2 is not equal to 0. Okay, so we will say here num1. Okay, num1 divided by, so give a little bit of space, num1 divided by num2. Okay, num2. So guys, now I'm gonna put here 2 fixed. Okay, 2 fixed 2. Okay, so I'll say here 2 fixed and up to the 2 digits only. Okay, up to the two digits only. So guys, let me just go to the example, and let me just show you what I did here. 2 fixed 2. Okay, so guys, go to the example and just perform the calculation. Okay, so just change this value to this much. Okay, and guys, now just hit the button division. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, I am dividing the first number with the second number 1333. As you can see here, we got the result into the 0. Okay, into the decimal. Okay, so I'll say here 0.0 only. Okay, I will show only up to the 2 points. Okay, I'll show only up to the 2 points. That's why, guys, I will use here 2 fixed 2. Okay, so guys, if it is so, if the second number is not equal to 0, then we will just perform the simple calculation. We will just perform it. If it is so, if user has given the second number, as a 0, then we will just give a colon, and we will just say here infinity. Okay, so put double quotes, and I'll just say here infinity. Okay, so infinity. Okay, so guys, I hope, guys, I am clear. Okay, I've explained you very well also, and we will just break the loop. Okay, So just copy this case one more time, and yeah, just paste it below this. So this time I'm gonna say here average. Okay, so I'll say here average avg. Okay, so I'll just say here avg. As you can see here, I've given the operator also as a avg also. So I'll just check this operator as a avg. Okay, so I'll say here avg. So guys, now I'm gonna calculate the average. Okay, so I'll say here first number plus the second number, and just put this into the single parenthesis. So I'll say here put parenthesis, and I'll just divide this number 2 by 2. Okay, so guys, this way we are able to calculate the average of any number which can be of like 10 times, 20 times, 2 times, or the n times also. Okay, so we will just say here first number plus second number divided by 2, because we have got the second 2 operator here. Okay, so this is the two operands. Okay, so guys, this is the operands. Okay, this first number and the second number is the operand, and this plus is the operator, this division is the operator, this minus is the operator, and this plus is the operator, and this num1 is the operand, and this num2 is the operand. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I'm explaining you very well. Okay, so guys, I will just give the default case also. So I'll just say here in the default case, so I'll just say here just give the colon, and I'll just say here this dot, I'll just say here this dot calculated value equal to 0. Okay, so default will be 0 always. Okay, so guys, default will be always 0. So guys, now yeah, we have defined our switch operator. Okay, so guys, now just quickly I'm gonna create this history also. You can see here, this is the history of the calculation. Okay, see, we are getting the history also. Okay, so this is the history. So guys, now I'm gonna create this history also. So just go to the code, and yeah, in the history section I'm gonna create here history also. So I'll just say here, I will just give the text also for you only. So this is the default, so let it be here only. So yeah, so just give the text also. So I'll say here add calculation history. Okay, history. So guys, just be here guys. I know guys, our video is going to be little larger, little longer, but please guys, it is worth it. It is worth to watch it. Okay, so just be here guys. This time I'm gonna just add the calculation history also. Okay, so guys, now we will just create a variable. So I'll say here const, and I'll say here expression. Okay, I'll say here expression. Okay, so I'll just use here backtick. Okay, this is the backtick for ECMAScript 6. Okay, so ES6. Okay, for the variable. Okay, so I'll say here. So guys, now I'm just use here dollar sign, and I'll just use here first number as a variable. So I'll say here num1. Okay, num1. So let me just show you guys what I'm doing here. Okay, so guys, you can see here, let me just put some, yeah, just go to the history. You can see here guys, this is the first number. Okay, and this is the second number, and this is the result. Okay, so I'm using here first number as a variable. I'm also using here a second number also as a variable, and I'm just showing the calculation to the this first number and this second number. And but now here I'm using this first number as a variable, this second number as a variable. Okay, so you can see here calculation of this is this, calculation of this is this, calculation of this is this. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, so I'll say here num1, and just give the, okay, so just give put here. Okay, so I'll just say here, okay, so give a space, and I'll say again I will use here dollar sign. I'll say here curly braces, and I'll say here this. Okay, not thumbnail, I'll say here this dot this operator. Okay, this operator. Okay, so copy this operator. Let me just show you. Go to the example. You can see, guys, this is the operator. Okay, I have performed here division. Okay, so let me just perform here addition also, so that you will be able to get it. Okay, so guys, you can see here, this is the operator. Okay, this is the operator. Okay, choose minus here. See, you can see here, this is the operator, plus minus. Okay, choose multiplication here. So multiply, you can see here, this is the operator. Okay, multiply, this is the operator, this is the operator, and this is the operator, this is the operator. Okay, so guys, I am doing that here only. So I'll say here, this dot operator. Okay, this dot operator, and again I'll say here, uh, again I'll say here parenthesis, and I'll say here dollar, and curly braces, and I'll say here num2. Okay, num2. Let me just show you. So guys, this is the first number. Okay, this is the first number, this is the operator, and this is the second number. This is the first number, this is the operator, and this is the second number. Okay, so guys, this is what I am doing here. So this is the first number, this is the operator. Okay, and this is the num2. This is the first number, this is the operator, and this is the num2. Okay, so guys, I hope, guys, I'm clear. Okay, so just delete this. So close this first, and now, guys, I'm gonna create here one object. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here one object, and we will push each and everything inside the object. Okay, so guys, now I'll say here this dot calculated history. Okay, so I'm gonna just use this variable calculated history, because this is the array. So we are gonna push each and everything inside this array. Okay, as of now, this is the empty array, so we are gonna push all the calculation to this calculation history array. Okay, we are gonna push, guys, all the calculation to this calculation history array. Okay, so we are gonna do this now. So I will say this dot calculation history, and I'll say here unshift. Okay, I want to put each and everything from the beginning. Okay, from the beginning of the array. Okay, so I'll say here unshift. Okay, so just put parenthesis, put open and closing braces, because we are going to define here object. So I'll say here this expression, so copy it from here, this expression, copy it from here, and put comma, and I'll say here this. Okay, this dot, I'll say here this dot. Okay, so just say here result. Okay, so result, put colon, and I'll say here this. Okay, this dot, we are defining here an object, guys. Okay, so I'll say here this dot, and I'll say here calculated value. Okay, calculated value. So just close this. Okay, and just close yeah, so just close this also, this switch operator, switch case. So put comma here. So put comma here, paste it here. Okay, so now just put here comma. Let me bring it into the one line, so go a little deep. Okay, so guys, now it is in this same line. Okay, so guys, now we are just gonna use the variable. Okay, so guys, now we're just gonna use the variable. Okay, so first of all, let me just clear one more variable. Let me just clear this these two variables, check fields and check operations. Okay, so I'm gonna define this now. So go a little up, and I'm gonna create the one more method. I'll say here clear. Okay, so I'll say here clear. So I'm gonna clear all the things. Okay, so put parenthesis, put open and closing braces, put comma here, and guys, now I'm gonna clear all the things. Okay, so I'll just use the variable name also. So I'll say here this dot first number. Okay, first number, set it to blank. Okay, close this. I'll say here this dot second number. Okay, give equal to, and set it to blank also. Okay, so guys, now I'm just gonna set the each and everything to the empty string, okay, to the blank string. Okay, so let me just go to the example and let me just clear this input, click this button, clear field. Okay, so guys, as you will see here, each and everything will set to the blank or the initial stage. Okay, so just hit the button, clear button, clear field. Okay, so see, each and everything have been cleared. Enter first number, please enter second number, choose the operator, and see the result is also 0. Okay, so guys, now just go to the code and we will just do that now inside this clear method function. Okay, so I'll just say here this dot calculated value give equal to, and set it to 0. You can see here the calculated value is 0 now. You can see here it is 0 initially. Okay, so just save the page and I'll just say here this dot btn. Okay, this dot btn text. Okay, so I'll just say here again calculate. Okay, again I will set it to calculate. Okay, you can see here, go to the example, and yes, you can see here again guys the button set to calculate. Okay, initially. Okay, so just choose it. See it is changing according to the drop down, and just click the button clear field, it will be again set to the calculate. Okay, so see, again set to calculate. So guys, this is what I am doing here inside the clear method. Okay, so I'll just say here this dot btn text. Okay guys, I am talking about, okay, this btn text, this result, this operator, this second number, this first number. Okay, this calculation history, this calculated value. Okay guys, I will be referring to these variables. Okay, I will be referring to these variables only whenever guys I will say here this dot first number, this dot second number. Okay, whenever I will say here this dot calculated value, this dot btn text. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you are getting me what I am trying to like explain you here. Okay, so I'll just say here this dot btn, and again I'll give the class as a simple btn. Okay, so this is the class guys, this is the predefined bootstrap class. Okay, and again just close this. Again I'll say here this dot, I will just set the operator also. So operator equal to, I'll just copy the operator text from here so that there will be no scope of error. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here. Yeah, so I hope guys you are getting me. Okay, so just close this and again I'll say here. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, we have set each and everything to 0. Whenever a user is going to click the button clear field, we will call this method clear. Okay, so yeah, so guys, now I'll just create another variable css class. Okay, I mean another method below this clear method. I will just create another method. I'll say here css class. Okay, not okay, css class. So put parenthesis and put open and closing braces. So guys, now I am gonna just define one more method which is css class. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, go to the example first. As you can see here guys, dynamically I will be able to apply the class to this and to this button also whenever our user is going to select the operator every time. Okay, see, classes changes, text changes, and the background color also changes. See, division, background color changes, text changes, and the background color also changes of this result also. Okay, so guys, choose average. See, the text changes, background changes, and the background also changes here. So this is what guys I am doing now. So just be here guys. Okay, because we are gonna write the logic now. So I hope guys you are getting me and I'm clear too. Okay, so yeah, so guys, now I will just use this. Okay, this dot calculated value, I'll just set it to 0. Okay, just set it to 0. Okay, and again guys, here also inside this css classes I'm gonna define here one switch method. So I'll say here switch. Okay, so I'll just check here what is the operator. Okay, so just copy this dot operator from this switch method and just paste it here, and we will just check it, guys. Okay, so we will just check the first case. So if first case is plus, so put here plus, put here colon, and we are gonna just check it now. So we will just say here this, okay, this dot btn, and I will define the class also as a btn hyphen, I'll say here secondary. Okay, secondary. So guys, this is the predefined classes in the Bootstrap. I'm just using it. Okay, I'm just using it whenever a user is going to choose the operator as a plus. Okay, whenever a user is going to choose the operator as a plus, we will just apply this btn secondary class to this btn. Okay, to this, okay, to this btn. Okay, to this btn. Okay, as of now I will use this variable inside our HTML. Okay, inside our HTML. So just be here, guys. See, like how complex our calculator is. Okay, so just close this, and again I will say here this dot calculated. Okay, I'll say here this dot calculated equal to, again I will just set the button as a btn secondary, and just close this, and I'll say here this dot btn btn text. Okay, I'll set it to addition. Okay, addition. Okay, because you can see here the operator has chosen here the plus. Okay, so you can see here the operator is plus, so we will set the btn text to addition. Okay, so just close this, and just break the loop also, because we don't want to loop to continue. Okay, so I'll just use here break keyword just to break the loop. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here. So guys, just copy this case from here and paste it couple of times. Okay, so paste 2, 3, 4, 5, and just paste one more time. Later on we can delete it every time. Okay, so just guys here, so just I'm gonna define the minus. Okay, so minus, so give here text as a minus only, so minus. Okay, and just change the class also to this I'll say here danger. Okay, danger. So let me just go to the example, and first let me explain you the example also, guys. You can see here every time I will try to explain you each and everything, okay, from this video, from this session. Okay, so just choose the minus. You can see the background is of red, and this is also of red. Okay, background is of red, and this is also of red. Okay, so guys, this is what I am doing here. I am setting this btn classes to btn danger, and this calculator also I will set it to danger. Okay, you can see here this is also set to red, and this button also set to red. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I'm explaining you up to the mark. Okay, so guys, just break this. This is fine. So guys, now just change this operator to the multiplication, and just change this class to success. Okay, success, btn success, and change this to also success. Okay, and just give here the text also as a multiplication. So I'll say here multiplication. Okay, so let me explain you also, guys, to the example. So guys, go to the example. As of now this is minus, so choose the multiplication. Okay, so see guys, the background color is green, the background color is also green. Okay, this is green also, and this is also green. So guys, you can see here I have given the class also btn, not this one, so btn success. Okay, this is the multiplication, and between btn also success. Okay, and this is the text multiplication. Okay, so guys, now I'm just gonna use here division now. So I'll say here on the division I will just apply the warning class. Okay, so I'll say here warning, btn warning. Okay, and again here also btn warning, and just give the here text as a division. Okay, so division. Okay, so just that's it, break the loop, and now this is the average. Okay, this is the avg. Okay, this is the avg operator, and I'll give the uh, this btn class to info btn info. Okay, and just make this also btn info, and just give the text as a average. Okay, just give the text to this button as a average. So let me just show you guys with the example also. So guys, this btn info calculated also btn info, and the button text will change to average. Okay, so let me just go to the example, and let me give you example also. So guys, just choose the operator as a average. Okay, so see, button text changes to average, and background is also info. This is also info, and this is also info, and text also changes to average to this button. Okay, so just go to the code again, and yeah, so guys, by default just make this class case as a default. So make this case as a default. So default, yeah, so put colon, and I'll just say here btn, just set it to info only. Okay, if by default, and give the btn text also. So just remove extra things from here, and we don't require break in the default section. Okay, so just remove this, and give the this text to calculate. Okay, calculate. Okay, so just save this. So let me just show you guys with the example also. So guys, now just hit the button clear. You will be able to see the text of this button as a calculate, and you won't be able to see any background color also. Okay, so just hit the button clear field. See, the text changes to calculate, and there is no background color as well. Okay, because this is the default case, guys. This is the default case. Okay, there is no background color of this button, and the text is also calculate. Okay, this is the default case, guys. Okay, I have defined here, this is the default case. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna define this. We are gonna define this check fields method and check operation method. Okay, so guys, just copy this method from here, and just go down, and yeah, so let it see where it close. So it is closing here, so put here comma, and I'm going to define this check fields method. So I'll say here parenthesis, and put open and closing braces, and we have to define it now, guys. So just be here, guys, and watch the video carefully and be focused. Okay, so I'll say here, I will just check it. Okay, so I'll just say here, if this dot first number, I'll just say here first number. Okay, this dot first number. Okay, this, guys, this first number and this second number I am checking about. Okay, all the things. So yeah, so just go down. I'll say here, if this dot first number, okay, does not equal to empty or blank, or I will say this dot second number. Okay, this dot second number does not equal to empty or blank. Okay, then we will just alert the user. So I'll just alert the user that please fill the number. Okay, so I'll say here, please enter the numbers. Okay, please enter the numbers. Okay, so guys, now just return it false. Okay, so that user won't be able to submit the form. Okay, so if it is not so, then we will just define we will just return the true also. So just return true. Okay, so guys, now we have done with the check fields method. Okay, so let me see where it is closed. It is closing here, so put comma here. So guys, now we have to define our this second method, check operations. Okay, so just copy it from here and go down, and below this check fields, I'm gonna define it now. So put parenthesis, put open and closing braces. So guys, now I'll just check the operator. Okay, so I'll just say here, if not inside the parenthesis, I mean like outside the parenthesis. Okay, so I'll say here, if, sorry guys, I'll say here this dot btn text. Okay, so we are gonna check the btn text. Okay, if it is already calculated, then we will just set it to alert. Okay, so if this dot btn text equal to calculate, okay, so we will just check it, calculate. See guys, you can see here initially, you can see here guys, initially btn text is calculate. Okay guys, you can see here initially I have given here this btn text is calculate, and I am using here this variable here. Okay, this variable here. Okay, so guys, initially it is calculate. So guys, if guys if guys try to focus, if initially, okay guys, see here initially, if the initial text is calculate, which means guys, user has not selected, user has not chosen any operator from this drop down value. Okay, so guys, let me just explain you one more time. Guys, if this btn text is calculate, which means user has not chosen, user has not selected any operator from this drop down value. Okay guys, the moment I will choose any operator from this drop down value, the text is going to change. Okay, the button text will change, okay, according to the operator. Okay, so just choose here multiplication. See guys, the button text is multiplication, which means user has selected any of the operator from this drop down value. Okay guys, which means the moment button text will change, the button background will change, which means user has selected any of the operator from this value. Okay, okay, let me explain you one more time guys. Okay, so just clear the field. See, now the btn text is calculate, which means user has not selected any operator from this drop down value, from this select menu, and the moment user is going to choose any of the operator from this value, from this select drop down menu, then the button text changes to this operator text. Okay, so guys, this is what I am checking here. Okay, so I'll say here if this dot btn text is equal to calculate, then we will just alert the user. Okay, so we will just alert it. So I'll say here to the user that please, okay, please first select, okay, select a operator. Okay, and we will just return the false. Okay, return false. Is if it is not so, we will just return it true. Okay, return it true. Yeah, so guys, I hope guys I am clear. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna define one more method which is clear history. Okay, you can see here guys, whenever I'm clicking the button clear history, we are able to clear the history also. Okay, so see, just click the button clear history. See, the history is gone. We have deleted the history from the array itself. Okay, so guys, this is what I'm going to define now. So I'm going to define one more method. So I'll say here below this method check operations, so put comma here. I'm going to define here one more method. I'll say here clear, I'll say here clear history. Okay, history, put parenthesis, put open and closing braces, and I will just set this dot, okay, this dot calculation history. Okay, this is the array, so I'll just set it to empty array again. Okay, I'll just set it to empty array. So let me just show you guys, this is the array. Okay, this is the array. Yeah, here is the calculation history array. As of now it is empty, and the moment user is going to hit this button clear history, we are again going to clear the history from this array. Okay, so we will say here this dot calculation history, set it to empty array. Okay, so guys, now we are done with the JavaScript, I mean the Vue.js code. Okay, so guys, now we have to use some of the variables name also. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna copy this method from here. So I'm gonna copy this method from here, clear history, and I'm gonna define this on the clear button of the history. Okay, so guys, this is the button. So I'll say here at the rate click equal to use this clear history method. Okay, use this clear history method guys. Okay, so yeah, so guys, now okay, so clear history, and guys, now calculator value, we will just define one more variable. So guys, now let me just guys, first of all let's just see if our application is working fine or not. So just save your page, go to the later on guys I will show the history also. Okay, so first of all let's just check the calculation. Okay, so guys just go to the developer tool first, see if there is any error in the console or not. So go to the console. So guys, as of now there is no error. So guys, let me just perform the operation first. So I'll say here first number as a 10, I'll say here second number as a 10 also. So I'll just hit the button calculate. Okay, so yeah, so first of all we have to call this method calculate. Okay, on this button. So I'll just call this method calculate on this button. Okay, so I'm gonna call this button guys calculate on this button. So just say here on this button I'll just use this method name. Okay, so I'll say here at the rate click equal to, I'll just call this method. Okay, so I'll just say here calculate. Okay, so yeah, that's it. We will just call a dynamic class also. So I'll say here colon class equal to, I'll just call this dynamic class btn. Okay, this dynamic class btn. So copy it from here, and you can see here guys I have defined it. Okay guys, you can see here I have defined it here, I have defined it here also, I have defined it here also according to the operator chosen by the user, selected by the user. Okay, so just copy this btn class from here and I'll just paste it here. Okay, so now guys I hope everything is fine. So just go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so just put here first number as a 10 and second number also as a 10 and try to hit the button calculate. Okay, so see, boom guys, please first select a operator. Okay, see guys, our code is working fine. See, choose the operator. Okay, so guys just choose here addition. Okay, so yeah, and just remove the first second number and again click the button. See, please enter the first number. Okay, please enter the number first. So we have to put here a number also. So now just hit the button calculate. Okay, so please first select operator. So guys, there is a catch here, there is an error, so we have to rectify it now. Okay guys, so we have to call the method also on change. Okay, we have to call this method guys on change css class. Okay, so we have to call this on change of this drop down menu. Okay, so I'm gonna call it at the rate change. Okay, change equal to, I will just define this method. Okay, so guys, now I hope everything is clear now. So yeah, operator. Okay, so just go to the code and refresh your page. Okay, so guys, now hit the button calculate. See, please enter the numbers. Okay, so I'll say here 10 and the second number also I'll say here 10 and again click the button calculate without choosing the operator. Okay, see, please first select your operator. Okay, so it is working fine, so we have to choose the operator. So addition. So see, boom guys, our code is working fine. See, the moment I have chosen the operator from this drop down menu addition, see the button text changes to addition and the background also changes to this. Okay, so choose here minus. See, boom guys, this is also red and this is also red. Choose here multiplication. See, this is also green and this is also green. Choose here division. See, this is also yellow and this is also yellow, and the text also changes to division. And choose the average. See, this is 0 and the background color also to green and the button text is also average. Okay, so guys, now I am gonna calculate the average first. So I'll say here average of 10 of 10. Just hit the button average. So see, it is of 10 guys. See, our code is working fine. So again addition 20, 10 plus 10, 20. Now minus. So this is minus, also this is minus. So hit the button minus. So see, it is also 0 already. Multiplication 10 multiply by 10. So hit the button multiplication. See, it's 100. And division. So it's already 0 set to 0. So the operator is division, and just the text is also division, and the background color also changes to division. Okay, so just hit the button division. See, it's 1.0. So we have set here to fixed up to 2 decimal. Okay, that's why we are able to see here 0 0. Okay, so guys, now give the average. Okay, so now average is 10. So 10 plus 10, 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. Okay, so guys, now we have to show the calculation history also. Okay, as of now we are not showing the calculation history, so we have to show the calculation history also here. So guys, first of all, let me just fix this button first. Okay, so let me just go to the example and let's just see why it is not working. Here it is working fine, so let me just inspect it. So margin top 5 I have given already to the first button. So button 4, so go here and keep the class here margin top 4. Okay, so save it now and go to the browser and just refresh it. It is not working, guys. Why it is not working? Here it is working cool, guys. So give also mr2 and give also margin top to mr2. Why, guys? Guys, it is so irritating, you know. Okay guys, let me just fix this. Let me just go to the example and let's see if there is any extra CSS I have applied. So guys, there is no extra CSS I have applied. Okay, so guys, okay guys, let me just do one more thing. Okay, so guys, let me just copy this from here. Okay, so let me just copy this from here. I hope this will fix it, because each and everything is same here only. So just paste it. Okay, yeah, I hope this will fix it. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser and just refresh your page. I hope this will work. Yeah, it works, guys, it works now. Okay, so everything is fine. So yeah, 12 plus 12, hit the button calculate. Please first select your operator. So we have to choose the operator first. Addition, see, it is working fine. Addition, so minus, it is red, this is also red. See, multiplication, this is also green, this is also green. See, division, the button text is division and background is yellow, and this is also yellow. And choose average, so button text is also average, and the background is also this, and this is also the background. Okay, so guys, now addition, see, so hit it. Okay, minus, hit it. Multiplication, hit it. Division, click it. Yeah, okay. Average, click it. Okay, so guys, now we have to show the calculation history also, like this. Like our like example, we have to show the calculation history also. So guys, now I'm gonna show the calculation history. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna guys, let me just check one thing. LG, so justify content center, and go to the example. So this is the example. So yeah, row justify content center. Okay, okay, yeah, that's it. So guys, now we have to show the calculation history also. So guys, now I'm gonna use this array. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna use this array. As you can see here, I have created an object here. So I'm shifting here each and everything from inside this calculation history. See here, this is the calculation history, and this is an array as of now, empty array, blank array. So guys, here I'm just saying here calculation history dot unshift. Okay, I've explained to you guys each and everything already. So guys, just use this variable. So just copy this from here, and guys, now I'm gonna just show the calculation history also here inside this li. Okay, so guys, inside this li I'm gonna show the calculation history also. So yeah, inside this li, so I'll say here v if, okay, v4, I'll say here v4 equal to, put double quotes, and I'll say here as a calculation. Okay, I'll just use the variable as a calculation, and I will give the index also. So index inside in this calculation history. Okay, this is an array, as you can see here, this is an array, and I am shifting each and everything inside this calculation history. This is the expression, and the result is this dot calculated value. Okay, this calculated value. Okay, this calculated value. Okay, I have explained to you guys already, although I'm explaining you again so that you will have a clear picture what I am doing here. Okay, so I'll say here v4 equal to calculation. So this is the variable. Each time it will loop this array, and it will store each and everything inside this calculation. Again it will loop through, it will store inside this calculation. Again this will be loop through using this v4 statement. Okay, and again it will be pasted into this calculation variable. Again it will loop by this for each statement or the directive, and again it will be pasted inside this calculation. Okay, so guys, now we have to use this calculation variable whenever you want to show the calculation history. Okay, so guys, now I'll just say here, so I'll just give the key also. So I'll say here key. Okay, I'll just give the key also. So put colon and give equal to key equal to, I'll just give here index. Okay, so I'll just say here index. So guys, now I will just use here double curly braces just to show the calculation history. So I'll say here calculation. Okay, I'll say here this calculation, and I'll say here, as you can see here guys, I have created here an object. So this is the expression and this is the result. Okay, this is the expression and this is the result. So we will use here calculation dot expression and calculation dot result. Okay, so this is the object expression one, and this is the result. Okay, so I'll say here this okay, this calculation dot expression. Okay, so this expression. Okay, this expression, so copy it from here and just say here this calculation dot this expression, and just give here equal to, and again just put here double curly braces, and I'll say here this calculation. Okay, this calculation dot, again I'll say here this result. Okay, this result, so copy it from here because this is the object. So copy it from here and say here this dot this result. Okay, so guys, now our history is also ready. So I hope guys this will work. Okay, so just go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so guys, now each and everything is set to, initially set to, okay, 0. So choose the first number. First of all, just hit the button calculate. See, please enter the numbers. So it is compulsory to enter the numbers. So first number I will give here 10, and second number I will give here also 10. Okay, and I'm gonna calculate the result now without choosing the any operator. Okay, so hit the button calculate. So see, boom guys, first select a operator. Okay, so choose here. So I'm gonna first perform the addition. So see, button text changes and the background changes, and here also everything got changes. Okay, so hit the button addition. So yeah guys, there is a catch here. So we have to, okay, so guys, can I do one thing guys? Can I copy this this from the previous example just to save our time? Okay, as you can see here, this is looking like ugly. Okay, so I will just copy this part from the example. just to save our time. Okay, although guys I have explained you, see, we're getting the calculation history also. You can perform the minus also. See, changes. See, minus 10 minus 10 equal to 0. See, multiplication, click multiplication. See, 10 multiply by 10 equal to 100. Choose here division. See, division, 10 divided by 10 equal to 1.00. And just choose here average. See, this is the also average, and this is also changes. Okay, so see, this is also average 10, average 10 equal to 10. Okay, so guys, let me just copy this part, okay, this UL part from the example, so that it will look good. Okay, although I've explained to you guys each and everything, so don't worry, it is just a text. So just copy this and replace this UL here. I hope this will fix it. Okay, so just save it and go to the browser and refresh your page. Yeah, it fixed, I guess. If it is not, then we will just leave it, although I have explained you. So choose the operator. Yeah, it is not, guys. Guys, let me just see what is the issue. What is the issue, guys? Okay, okay, so guys, just give me 2 minutes. I'll just fix this. Okay, form group. Okay guys, I was forgetting one thing. Nothing, guys, I'm forgetting nothing. I don't know why our UI look little bit uglier. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you can understand me. So guys, I'm speaking constantly since a long time. Okay, so guys, yeah, can I just change this entire div? Okay, can I just change this entire div? Okay, can I just change this entire div, guys, so that this will fix? Okay, so guys, it is nothing, I've explained you each and everything. I'm just doing this for the sake of UI. Okay, so for the sake of UI, I'm gonna replace this to this, and I hope this will this time fix this. Okay, okay guys, what is this? So okay, calculated value, and yeah guys, I was doing one mistake. I got the error, guys, so we have to replace this entire things to this. So now just save your code and go to the browser and refresh the page. I hope guys I have fixed our problem. So guys, now 12, give second number also 12, choose the operator, everything is working fine. So hit the button addition. See, boom guys, our code is working fine. See, minus, see, we're getting the calculation history also, multiplication, multiply. See guys, see guys. Okay, we got the scroll bar also. See, this is the calculation history, average, division, multiplication, minus, and addition. Okay, so guys, now just hit the button clear history and see if this clears the history or not. Okay, yeah, boom guys, this clears the history. So just hit the button average. See, again we are getting the history. Okay, so minus, just hit the button minus. See, minus, division. See, everything is working fine. Addition. See, so multiplication, just choose the multiplication, so multiply. See guys, we're getting the history also, and just clear the button, just click the button, this clear button, so clear the field as well as the result also. So hit the button clear field. See, boom guys, see, the history remains here unless and until you're not gonna clear the history by clicking this button clear history. So I will just clear the history also. Yeah. So guys, now just hit the button calculate. See, please enter the first number. So please enter the numbers. So I'll say here this time 100, and second time I will give here 0, because we are going to divide here the first number by the 0. The result should be infinity if our code is okay. Okay, so I'm going to divide it. So division, so hit the button division. See, boom guys, they got the result as a infinity, and here also in the calculation history also as a infinity. Okay, so guys, our code is working fine. So just perform addition. So see, 100 plus 0 equal to 100, minus, so see, 100 minus 0 equal to 100, and multiplication. So just click it. So see, 100 divide 100 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. So just put the average and hit the button average. See, 100 average, 100 plus 0 equal to 100 divided by 2 equal to 50. Okay, and we're able to see the scroll bar also, and as well as the calculation history also. So guys, our code is working fine. So guys, I hope guys, I have explained you each and everything from this video, from this session. And guys, I hope guys, you know how to create this kind of dynamic calculator using HTML CSS3 as well as Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, guys, if you still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, okay, please guys, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to resolve it. I will try to address it. Okay, so guys, I hope guys, we have come to the end of this video, end of this session. So guys, this is the first day of 2024. So guys, let me again you guys wish you a very very happy new year 2024. So guys, I wish guys, you know, like you get achieve a lot of success, you achieve a lot of great heights in your career, in your life this year, and may God fulfill all your wishes, all your desire this year. So guys, guys, let me just ask you one more thing guys. Guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys, do subscribe to this channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video like this on the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly, and you can learn from them also. Okay, and guys, please guys, I just need your suggestions. I just need your, you know, like feedback guys, whether it is positive, whether it is negative. Just give me guys your feedback, whether I am audible, whether my voice is clear, whether my voice is too slow, whether you know, like whether I am speaking a good English, or whether I should make a video in Hindi only. Just give me guys your feedback. I just need it so that I can implement it into my next session while I will be making the video. Okay, so see you guys till then. Take care. Happy New Year guys once again, and please guys, do subscribe to the channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and please like this video also. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.